what we are going to see is another pack assembly line which use the similar process but for different cells. We start with the so-called sorting. So a cell with the similar internal resistance will be grouped, and so that the difference between cells will be within the tolerance. We cannot weld together cells which have high internal resistance because those cells cannot be balanced during the charging. Okay? Once the cells have been grouped together, now they go through the welding process. It is some kind of spot welding process, but in a large number. It's still, it's not laser, but it's a spot welding. But it is more or less automatically, not by hand as in the previous line. So that's very interesting. Here, the cell which put together will be welded together. Okay, it is still spot welding, but with automation. This here.